Hey everybody, it's Erin from Living Blooms, and we are really excited because today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make a beautiful spring planter using the 16-inch concrete cast bowl and these plants that we'll name in the video along the way. So this here is my daughter Sloan, and she is going to be demonstrating how to plant this planter. The first plant she's using is Mona Lavender, and it's going to be really kind of the back part of this planter. It's really the thriller, so to speak, of this planter. The next plant is this soft lamb's ear. It's got a beautiful soft leaf, and I think that it just really offsets this lavender, Mona Lavender, very well. The third plant right here on the other side she's planting is called a Dusty Miller, and it just got a nice gray leaf, and it's going to really pair well with the Mona Lavender. A centerpiece is going to be this Captain Cheerio Calla lily. It just has beautiful, breathtaking reddish pink leaves, and they're just really, really gorgeous. We're going to pair on the other side a nice marigold to add a pop of vibrant orange spring color, and that's going to go really nicely, bringing just vibrant colors to this whole entire planter. Another nice plant and flower she is using and holding right now is a pink Kalanchoe. Again, that's going to bring in and tie in the colors of the calla lily along with the Mona Lavender and the marigolds. I'm going to tie it all up. I'm going to finish things with the Angelina Sedum. It's got a very bright, vibrant chartreuse yellow leaf, and it really is just going to add that pop of color that we need in the planter. And she is just tucking in the roots and also making sure all the dirt is in there. And to finish this off, she is using Spanish moss, which you can find at your local craft store or even sometimes in your backyard. This is actually low country Spanish moss that we found in some of the trees. She is going around and tucking it in. This is just a finishing touch for the planter. Makes it look really nice, keeps the dirt in, also adds a little bit protection to the root ball and keeps the plants nice and moist. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Bye-bye.